Okay, we have Lucci here. He's been here for a little while today. He's a very he's so cute though. But he is a very neat boy. Very neat boy. He likes to keep himself a lot. So really this session is me just hanging out with him. It's not gonna seem like a lot, but I just want him to get comfortable, get to know me, build that relationship. I'm not worried about any obedience right now. Dave, do some recalls if I could. If he's okay. He is taking a little bit of treats, so that's good. So he's not too nervous. But you hear? Yes, take treats. He seems very Hi, we're here. He was so cute. He stuck his face in my treat pouch, like his nose was in it, and then he just laid down on my lap. I'm like, oh, you just gonna lay there and have yourself a meal? Oh, Josie, you're so cute. Is that what I heard? Is that correct? He's a parrot. So when you pick him up, he's like that. Crawl up here, your parrot. So I'd like to just, if anything, good job, buddy. We're definitely gonna preload the treats and everything. Just maybe introduce a little, oh here, a little negative reinforcement, barely touching like any of it. And him just coming in my direction. Just so when I do introduce more of it on the face, woo, he'll have a better understanding of what that means. Lucci. Oh. And I'm not going to let him jump off me like that. Lucci, Lucci, a Lucci, a Lucci. Here, Lucci, here, come on, come on, come on. Yes, woo-hoo. Lucci, here. Oh, yes. Wow, that's so good. Shake it off. Right here. Right here. Here. Oh, nice. Good job, buddy. Come on. Wow. Now we cuddle. Come here. Now we cuddle. Oh, precious baby. Oh, the precious baby. Smell good. Smell good. Not for long though. Not for long. So tell me about yourself. How old are you? I like your underbite. You look young. Your teeth are beautiful. Oh. Oh, you're so cute. I love getting new dogs and kind of want. You know, because some dogs get crazy hyper. Other dogs will look at me like, I don't know you. We're kind of in between. Yeah. You know, hey. Lucci, a Lucci, Lucci. Yeah. You know, sit. Sit. Yeah, we almost got it. Yes. Oh, breathe. Breathe. And teaching them really easy things like you might already know. It's kind of going to be my game for, or my goal for this session. Come on. Let's see. Sit. Oh, yes. And again, everything I'm doing, I'm just a little bit of negative reinforcement. You're so good. You're such a precious baby. Yes. Now I get the good stuff in here. We break it up into really small pieces so you're so tiny. Sit. Yeah. Ah. Yes. Good. Hey. Okay. Nice. You're a good boy. Oh, just poked myself in the eye with your leash. Oh, sit. Oh. Yes. Good. Yes. That's so good. Nice. Oh, I think it's back to your chin. You're good. This is so nice. If you can sit down on the ground with you. My last dog I had trained, I was working with, I had to run in and outside, in and outside. Sit. Ooh. Want this? Sit. Come on, sit. Sit. Good. Come on. You got this. Yes, using a little social pressure. Okay, good. Nice. Oh, good. You have these tacos. Now I want them. Oh. I know. I bet you when you open up, you bet your chase balls. Little ones. Yes, okay. Yes, okay. Come on. Oh, look at that tail wag. Sit. Yes. Nice. Yes. Good boy. Trying to just teach him a little bit of treat chasing. But try to pressure him. Sit. Yes. Good. Good boy. Oh, here it is. I can go around. Ready? Sit. 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 Little confused. I've noticed, like after I offer the little bit of pressure, like after the second or third time of doing it, he's kind of like, I don't know what this is. Come here, buddy. Sit. Yes. But he'll do it without it. So that's just something he'll get used to. Again, just doing it a little while. Sit. So this time I'm gonna ask for I'm gonna show the help first. Lucci. Sit. Oh, that's a good boy, but I'm not gonna overwhelm him with it. So again, it's working on his state of mind with anything else. But the order and sequence, once he's getting it, would be, telling him to sit. If he doesn't sit right away, then you offer the help by pointing. And if he doesn't sit then, that's when you add a little bit of negative reinforcement. All right. You're so good. Lucci, sit. Sit. Good. Yes. Nice. That time I didn't have a treat in my hand. Nice. You're so brave. Good job. Kyle's here. Oh. Kyle's. The world must look so big when being held. When I was a kid, I was sitting on my dad's shoulders. I felt like I was up so high, but my dad's only 5'5". Good. Oh, we can't cut it forever. Oh my God, it really hangs up. Oh, they're so cute. You're just trying to choke me out. Yeah, you're just it. Sit. Sit. Good, good, good. Come on, baby, sit. Sit. Oh. Yes. Good. Nice. Good. are working for a treat. It's nice. You'd be surprised how many dogs come here. We have to teach you to sit. It's so hard sometimes. Frank, yeah, come on. Lucci, ready? Sit. Yes! Good boy. Stay. Yes. Wow. Stay. Frank, yes! Good job. Good. Wow, he's so cute. Lucci, Lucci, you're Italian, huh? Underbite is adorable. Sit. What do you call this? Walking on your back legs, huh? Lucci. Oh, sit down. Good. Good. Lucci. Sit. 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 Good. Sit. Nice. Stay. Good. Stay. Oh, that's so good. Wow. Let me get a little taller. Okay, I go. Where is it? Good. Good job, buddy. Oh, that's so good. You can smell hot dogs on my hands. Not too interested in the toy yet. Lucci, here? Yes. So the way the recall works is, and when teaching it, wait till he's distracted. He's a little distracted. There's a grooming place in the same room, but it's in a separate room, if that makes sense. It's a room within a room. You just have a little distraction with the dogs barking there. So I use that as an opportunity. Lucci, here? Good. As soon as, yes, his nose touches my hand, I tell him yes. This is a good way to also alter between the sit and recall, kind of teaching both separately and then putting them together. Lucci, here? Yes, good. Nice. You see, I'm just adding a little bit of negative reinforcement. Oh, get distracted. Here. Lucci, here? Good. Yes. Nice job, buddy. And as soon as he heads in my direction, let's just say, for example, he is further on in the program and he's just running around this room, is comfortable, getting distracted by other dogs or other people being here. That's when I have him like on a longer leash, or if he understands it, I wait till he gets distracted by the person or the dog. And that's when I work a recall. His name here. And if he didn't come, that's when I would offer like Lucci here and more negative reinforcement. But that's just teaching him more about really shutting off that pressure. Right now, I'm just kind of applying it a little bit, again, so he's just used to feeling it in a very slight way, so then when I am really introducing it, he won't be like so averse to it. Where some dogs, if you just introduce it right away, they'll freak out a little bit and they'll do everything they can. They'll pause on the leash to stop it. So then it just tells them you need to step back a little bit. And we need to teach the command a little more, and we're just offering up a little bit of release pressure. So we're like, oh, hey, this isn't that bad. Lucci here. Yes. Good boy. So yeah, when he's coming, as soon as he turns around, I forgot that was the point I was trying to make. So if he's over there and I say, Lucci here, and he just, and if he's off leash too, and he comes, as soon as he turns around, I'm going to start partying. As soon as you want him to come, sometimes if they're still learning, they'll get distracted. So if we're like, yes, come on, Lucci here, yes, just encouraging them to come towards us. Lucci here. Oh, that's so good. Nice. Good. He already seems a lot more comfortable in his space. Like his ears are up, his tail's up, he's wagging his tail. But again, I'm making this super easy for him and just kind of hanging out with him. It's very cute. I'm going to keep doing what I've been doing. But I'm going to go ahead and stop the video so you'll actually get it uploaded before tomorrow. Who's that? Hannah.